So you just created a ScopeStack account and you're ready to get to work. Let me walk you through how to create your first project. What you want to do to start is click Create New Project. Now this is just essentially setting up your project for the first time, so enter some basic information like the client's name and the project name. Once you're done there, just go ahead and click Submit or Save and we'll get started. So with that, the core and the meat of the platform is around professional services and managed services and third party. What we'll do as part of this is just walk you through what it's like to scope out your first professional services project. So you'll click Services, and what you have an opportunity to do is use our standard services that are already included in your account just as a starting point. And so once you come in here, you can just click Search, and this will give you a list of all the pre-built services that are out there and available for you. So we'll just add a few services to our project. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and add these services to our project. So what you'll see here is the top level service, as well as the sub-services or additional steps that roll up into that service. And again, you can see the level of effort and a recommended resource rate level. And again, in settings is where you can set up all these resources like consultant, engineer, their hourly rate, and their hourly cost. Once you feel good with these services and how they've been added to your project, you can go down to PS pricing to make any adjustments to the hourly bill rate or to the price as a whole. All right, so I can click Update Rates, and maybe I want to adjust this engineer to this project manager to $175 an hour. You can make that change there. Now, once you're done, all you need to do is generate that statement of work. So go up here to the right-hand corner and click Generate. And you'll have a couple of different options. I would go ahead and click Professional Services Template, just as the first one to scope out. Once that generates, it'll pop up. It'll be either a PDF format or a Word format, depending on how your settings are set up. But what you'll be able to do is see that statement of work and make any updates to it that you wish. As well, in the Generate section, you can generate a work breakdown into Excel format that makes it easy to hand off to your project delivery team, and so to make sure that there's alignment between what's being scoped and what's being delivered. Congratulations, you scoped your first project. If you're having any trouble getting started, please reach out to our customer success team. We're here to help.